In this lesson, we are going to talk a little bit more about melody and actually listen to two examples of melodies. Let's get rocking and rolling. This is example 37. Okay, so not a lot of repeated patterns in that melody, and you may have found that melody to not be very pleasing. And you may have found that melody to be, well, a little bit all over the place. Let's listen to 38. Huh. That made a little bit more sense, right? There was more pattern there. Okay, so we heard two different melodies there, both of which had a little bit more pattern to them than 37. You may have found the melodies in 38 to be, well, more pleasing because they make more sense, because they have a pattern that you can identify and hear and just make sense to your brain. We're going to listen to one more. We're going to go back to example 34, and we're going to listen to the melody there. Just a little bonus. Now this melody has a pattern to it. So you could hear that in example 37, there were a couple of patterns, but not a lot of patterns that you could immediately identify. It sounds sort of like a Jackson Pollock painting. There's sort of like paint everywhere. Whereas melody example 2, example 38, and then also we just listened to 34 again, they make more sense. They're more easily found, I think, to be pleasing. Perhaps you feel differently, perhaps you feel the same. But the point here is to see that there's a very big difference between melodies that sort of make sense and have a pattern you can find and you can hear, and melodies that don't have a pattern that you can immediately hang on to. I will see you in the next lesson. Hey there, if you want to learn more about music theory, I highly recommend right now going to grab the 10 things everyone should know about music theory. It's a free download for you that you can get right now. There's a link in the description, also in the pinned comment below this video. So what are you waiting for? Go grab that thing and I will see you in the next video.